Hi, today I'm going to show you a magnet motor that I saw on YouTube, a concept that I saw on YouTube, and I created that so that you guys can see what we did. I'm going to show you. This is what I did. If you can please come this way. This is what we did. We have a total of 21 magnets in 3 barrels, and every magnet is facing with the positive out. And the way we did this, if you can see at the picture, we have the 7 magnets on these 3 barrels, and every one is with the positive that way. So if you see the sketch, this magnet wants to push this one that way, and at the same time this one is pushing this one that way. So eventually what we're trying to do is the constant movement of them at the same time. The magnets, they're very powerful magnets. They're 1/2 inch by 1 by 2 inches long, and the pull force is over 80 pounds. And I got them from magnetsforless.com. There's even a part number right here. At first we did this aluminum plates in our mill machine. We did the barrels. We used our lathe, and then the first idea was we did this, guys. That's why you see all of these bearings right here. We put this, and I make this, guys. You know, we set them like that. We have washers, and we will lock them, you know, using a nut. And we have our double-sided timing belt that we went using all this, you know, something like that, going around and just making sure that everybody spins on the same direction. But didn't work, because the magnets are so strong that this was jumping over the grooves on the pulley. So that didn't work. So we went back to the drawing board, and we create this gears that you see right here. If you see at the center barrel, we have 4 grooves. I don't know if you can see them, but this is one groove, the second one, third, and fourth. And inside there, in between this and the shaft, I have dowel pins, something similar to this. And I can move this back and forth, so I can engage and disengage at any time I want. Now if you want to see how powerful these magnets are, this is a 1/2 inch aluminum plate, and you'll see this, you know, how powerful that is. It's very, very powerful. Alright, so we're gonna test it and see if it works. So what I did, because this being so strong, you see, if I try to go kind of clockwise on this one and clockwise on the other one, it doesn't get past that one magnet. We only have about 50 thousandths gap in between in between each barrel. So the gap in between the magnets is very, very small. And we have a lot of precision on everything we did. We hold it with a high accuracy. So what we're going to do now, on this barrel, I have a hole with the preset position. That's where my mark is. So I'm going to put that pin and lock this wheel. And we're going to do the same on this one. Push this away because it's very, very strong. It doesn't let me rotate this one. Okay, so this is my mark. That's my mark right there. So now these are locked. And now these two are like you see right here on the picture, right up at the right position. So we have this one on the top, almost to the top, and this one too, and that's what we have over here. Now we need to set the one on the middle with this one perfectly on the top, so we get this and this. Alright? And to do that, we need to push this in and engage the bearings right there. Engage them over here and over here. And to do that, what I did, I had made this hole so I can, hold it, because if I try to do it with my hands, it's just almost impossible to, to line them up and trying to push this in and engage it. So the position is about right there. So I'm gonna push this in. Okay, come on. There you go. Come on, go in. Now it's in. And it's been held by these pins, slack pins. Now if you see, the gears are perfectly engaged. That one and this one. They're really nice engaged. So if you look at the picture, we have this. That's what we have right now. Now we're hoping that by pulling the pins out and unlock this and this will spin if everything is correct. So we want to pull this pin out. Now we're going to put the second pin out. But it doesn't spin. It just doesn't spin. And I've been trying this and it doesn't spin. And if anybody knows a way to make this work, please let me know. Or email me, contact me. If you want, even if you want to try it yourself, I'll be happy to ship this to you. I'm gonna show you another thing we did. I learned, this is a replica of the barrel that we have with the 7 cavities. We have the 7 cavities. We have the holes, the threaded holes, a hole for the set screw for the shaft. And I learned that when you have all 7 magnets, you have a great deal of power right here. It just, a lot of power. And also on this side. And one of the this one is positive and this one is negative. So when I saw that, I tried something else. I made another shaft. Of course, I tried this with the magnets. You don't see them right here, right now, just giving you the idea. And then I make this. Let me put the bearing in. Okay. And I put the magnets facing that way, and I shim them so that they're like a little bit cut this way, all of them. And I went like this. Alright, have the threads for the knot to hold them in place, because it's so they're so powerful. Again, you know, you have to hold them with something. And I make the other one, and I was hoping, since I have this magnets cut a little, I was hoping to see this spin that way, and it just didn't happen. Everything is, you know, you can feel all this magnetism here, all this power, but it just doesn't spin. So anyway, please feel free to contact me if you have any ideas. Or if you want to try yourself, let me know. I'll be happy to ship it to you. Thank you very much.